हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप? वेलकम टू द नेक्स्ट वीडियो ऑफ फ्रैक्शंस। अब तो लास्ट टाइम हमने इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शंस के बारे में पढ़ा था, तो अब इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शंस को हम और डिटेल में करेंगे। एंड यहाँ पर फिगर इट आउट है पेज 168 पर। तो लेट्स सी, फाइंड द मिसिंग नंबर्स। 5 glasses of juice shared equally amongst 4 friends is same as dash glasses of juice shared equally amongst 8 friends. See, 5 glasses of juice shared among 4 friends is equal as dash glasses of juice shared amongst 8 friends. So remember, 4 can be converted into 8 by multiplying by 2. ठीक है, और अगर हमने डिनोमिनेटर को मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 करा है तो हम न्यूमरेटर को भी मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 करेंगे एंड इट विल बी 10 glasses of juice. करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट, 4 kg of potato divided equally in 3 bags is same as 12 kg of potato divided equally in how many batch? 4 kg of potato divided equally in 3 bags is same as 12 kg of potato divided in dash bags. So 12 करने के लिए इसको हमने 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया. 4 3s are 12. So इसको भी 3 से ही मल्टीप्लाई करोगे. 3 3s are 9. Okay. Now 7 rotis divided amongst 5 children. 7 rotis divided amongst 5 children is same as dash roti divided among dash children. You could write anything, like if I multiply by 2, 14 roti divided amongst 10 children. 14 rotis divided amongst 10 children. So that's what will be your answer. Okay. So I hope everybody is clear with the division part and the equivalent fraction part. Now next you can say, in which group will each child get more chikki? 1 chikki divided between 2 children or 5 chikki divided amongst 8 children. So now there is comparison. Okay, I cannot do comparison without converting it into a like fraction, as I told earlier also, that comparison cannot be done without doing it into a like fraction. So let's say what I have got over here. So I have 1 chikki divided amongst 2 children, ठीक है, and 5 chikkis divided amongst 8 children. You can see here the numerator is 8 and I can very easily make denominator is 8 and I can very easily make 2 into 8 by multiplying it by 4. So if I multiply this by 4, I will also multiply the numerator by 4. It will become 4 by 8. Now obviously if I compare 4 and 5, I know my 5 is greater than 4 by 8. 5 by 8 is greater than 4 by 8. So therefore 5 by 8 is greater than 1 by 2 also, because 1 by 2 and 4 by 8 are equivalent fractions. I hope you have understood this. Okay. Now moving ahead, which group about the following, what about the 1 chikki divided amongst 2 or 4 chikki divided amongst 7? See, here I have 1 chikki divided among 2, like I have already given. 1 chikki divided among 2 or 4 chikkis divided among 7 students. Okay, so 4 chikkis divided among 7, this one could be converted into 4 by simply multiplying by 4, but then I have to, like if I multiply by 4 also, so I will get 4 by 8 and this is 4 by 7. Now 4 by 8 and 4 by 7, if you look, how do you compare them? If I take a cake, if I take any circular chikki or something, I make 7 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and out of 7 I am getting 4 parts like this. Okay, and here I have converted it into 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And out of this I have got myself this much. So where do you think is more? Obviously here it is greater. But you can still compare denominator. How? Let's find out. Suppose I have got this two numbers 1 by 2 and 4 by 7. ठीक है? By simply multiplying 1, I will not be able to get. So I will do one thing. I will find out the LCM of 2 and 7, which is 14. Okay, by simply multiplying, because there is no common factor except for 1. So I will simply multiply the two numbers and I will get 14. Now I have to make the denominator 14. I will multiply by 2 both sides. It will become 8 by 14. And here I will multiply by 7. It will become 7 by 14. Now out of 14 parts, there are two conditions where one is I am getting 7, one is I am getting 8. So obviously 8 parts are more than 7 parts. So that means my 4 by 7, my 1 by 2 is less than 4 by 7. I hope I am making a sense now. अगर आपके न्यूमरेटर भी सेम है तो भी आप कंपैरिजन कर सकते हो, लेकिन हम क्या करते हैं, वी टेंड टू मेक मिस्टेक्स. जब न्यूमरेटर सेम होता है तब मिस्टेक्स होने के चांसेस भी बढ़ जाते हैं. तो उस केस में हम लोग हमेशा देखते हैं कि डिनोमिनेटर सेम करके क्या हो रहा है. ओके, सो इस तरीके से हम कंपैरिजन करते हैं. ठीक है, we have to find the fraction equivalent to the fraction 3 by 4 and 7 by 10. Okay, so now comparison का हमारा हो गया. आगे अगर हम जाते हैं तो आगे हमारा एक क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है 172 पेज पर. Find equivalent fraction for the given pairs of fractions such that fractional units are the same. Let's do this part also. Like A part, you have 7 by 2 and 3 by 5. As I told you, LCM of 2 and 5 is to be found out, which is 10. Okay, now जहाँ 5 है वहाँ को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, 6 by 10. एंड जहाँ 2 है वहाँ को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, 35 by 10. करेक्ट हो जाएगा. ठीक है, तो इस तरीके से you can start your answer. Moving ahead. Now you have in any fraction, if its numerator and denominator have no common factor except for 1, then the fraction is called the lowest term or the simplest form. जैसे कि जब अगर हमारे पास 2 by 7 था, 7 और 2 के बीच में कोई कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं है, नो कॉमन फैक्टर बिटवीन 2 and 7, तो दिस इज द लोएस्ट form or you can say the simplest form of the fraction. Okay, this could be done. Simplest form. चलिए एक अब मैं आपको सिखाती हूँ कि सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में कैसे करना है. मान लो आपके पास कोई क्वेश्चन आता है 16 and 20, 16/20, इसको सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में करना है. तो आप एक काम कर सकते हैं, आप इन दोनों नंबर्स का HCF निकाल सकते हैं और उससे उसको डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. यू हैव टू डिवाइड the number by their HCF. HCF of 16 and 20 is 4. So I divide both the number by 4. 4 4s are 16 and 4 5s are 20. Okay, that's how I am going to get my answer. By dividing both numerator and denominator by the same number. Okay, that is what my answer will look like. Okay, now let's start with figure it out of page 173. Figure it out of page 173. Let's start. Now you have 17 and 51. 17 and 51. Let me tell you, if you know the tables, 17 3s are 51 होता है. 17 3s are 51 होता है. So I instantly knew that the common factor or the HCF of both is 17. So I'll divide it by 17 and I'll get 1/3. Similarly, if it's 64 by 144. See children, there are two ways. Either you find out HCF of 64 and 144 like this. 64 144. I'll do it by 2, 32, 72, 2, 16, 20, 36, 2, 4, 8, 18, 2, 4, 9. So this 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 is the HCF. HCF is 16. I simply divide both of the numbers by 16. So I can get like 64 divided by 16 is 4 and 64 divided by 16, 144 divided by 16 is 36. Oh sorry, 9 4 by 9 will be your answer, or there could be one more way, like 64 and 144 are the two numbers, 64 and 144. I know my divisibility rules, right? So I'll keep on dividing them both equally by the same number until I get the lowest term. For example, here I divide both the numbers by 2. I'll get 32 by 72. Again by 2. I'll get 32 by 72. I divide both the number by 2 by 2 से I divide. Okay. I'll still get 16 by 36. I still divided by 2 by 2. I'll get like 8 by 18. I'll still divide by 2 by 2. And finally I'll get my answer 4 by 9. So either you can write it by doing the HCF, finding out the HCF, or you can simply keep on dividing it with common numbers, common factors till you get your answer in the simplest form. This is up to you, and with great practice you will be able to further solve it on your own. Dear cats, give time to children to perform C and D part. Okay. Moving ahead, comparing fraction. Okay, now coming ahead to comparing fraction. Suppose I want to compare two fraction 4 by 5 and 7 by 9. 4 by 5 and 7 by 9. So I will first convert them to the like fraction by multiplying by 9 by 9 and 5 by 5. I'll get 36 by 45 and 35 by 45. So I know 36 by 45 is greater than 35 by 45. We have already done this part. What is 36 equivalent to? 4 by 5. Obviously is greater than 7 by 9. So I hope you know how to compare the fractions now. Okay. Moving ahead. So you have to, by comparison I mean to say, you have to make their denominators same. So let's start with figure it out on page number 174. So first question, this is page 174. ठीक है, first question is compare and justify. So let's start with only one part, C part. 7 by 10 and 9 by 14. तो जो 7 by 10 and 9 by 14 है, either you can multiply them both by the opposite, so like 14 by 14 and 10 by 10. So you will get 98 by 140 and 90 by 140. So simply 98 by 140 is greater than 90 by 140, or 7 by 10 is greater than 9 by 14. Otherwise what you can do is you can multiply them with common factors, like 10 और इसके अंदर like 10 और 14 के अंदर 2 is there, then 5 and 7. So I can simply multiply it by 70. ठीक है, जो मेरा LCM होगा उससे भी मल्टीप्लाई मैं कर सकती हूँ, मतलब I can make the denominator equal to their LCM. Okay, so LCM is 70 and I can multiply here by 7 and here by 5. Okay, it will mean the same. Okay. Let's move ahead. Now there is this question, write in ascending order and descending order, question number 2 and question number 3. Let's start with that. Now question number 2, there are fractions 7 by 10, 11 by 15 and 2 by 5. I will simply find the LCM of 10, 15 and 5. So the LCM of 10, 15 and 5 is 2, 3 and 1, 30. The LCM is 30, correct? Now 7 by 10, I have to make the denominator 30 by multiplying it by 3. So numerator could also be multiplied by 3. It will become 21 by 30. Similarly 11 by 15 can be multiplied by 2 to get 22 by 30. And 2 by 5 could be multiplied by 6 by 6 to get 12 by 30, correct? Now I know my ascending order means from lowest to highest, ascend, ठीक है? Which one is my lowest? My lowest is 12 by 30, then I have 21 by 30, then finally I have 22 by 30. Now I'll write the proper form of this. 12 is 2 by 5, which is less than 21, which is 7 by 10, which is less than 11 by 15, correct? So these are this is the ascending order of my given fractions. Now I'll start with descending order, that is question number 3. So descending order में I have been given 25 by 16, 7 by 8, 13 by 4 and 17 by 32. I'll finally find out LCM of 16, 8, 4 and 32. 16, 8, 4, 32. 4 is multiplied by all. 4 4s are 4 2s, 4 1 and 32 is 8. 8 4s are 32. Now 2 can be multiplied. So 2 2 2 1 1 and 4. Again 2 2 1 1 1 and 2. So LCM will be 4 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 32 is my LCM. So if I have got 32 as LCM, 25 by 16 could be written as 2 by 2 by multiplying by 2 by 2. 16 to the 32. So 50 by 32. 7 by 8 could be written as multiplying by 4 by 4. 28 by 32. 13 by 4 could be written as multiply by 8 by 8. 8 3s are 24, 8 1s are 8, 104 by 32. And finally, I have 17 by 32, which is already in the proper required fraction form. Now, I have to convert it in descending order. Descending means from largest to smallest. Largest is 104 by 32, which is greater than obviously 50 by 32, greater than 28 by 32, finally 17 by 32. Write their original values also. 104 is 13 by 4, greater than 50 is 25 by 16, greater than 28 is 7 by 8, greater than 17 by 32. That's my final answer. I hope you people have understood this, and with this your equivalent fraction, comparison of fraction, and maybe reducing the fraction in the simplest form. All these topics are covered. So the remaining, now moving ahead with addition of fractions. Addition can be done using two ways. Addition of like fraction. ठीक है? Addition of like fraction, like 2 by 5 plus 1 by 5. I'll write denominator में 5. I'll simply add the numerator. I'll get 3 by 5. This is simple. ठीक है? Similarly, अगर मैं इसी का subtraction करूँ, subtraction of like fraction करूँ, 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5 will give you 1 by 5. How? like 2 minus 1 is 1 and 5 remains same. So this is very simple. Whenever you are adding or subtracting like fractions, all you need to do is you simply have to add the numerator or subtract the numerator and the denominator remains the same. But then obviously it is not the same case with mixed fraction, with improper fraction. So in my next video, in the upcoming classes, you will be studying about these. Till then what you do is you revise your lesson. Okay? You should be thorough with conversion, you should be thorough with equivalent, you should be thorough with comparison, and to understand the next topic. Alright, so I'll see you in the next class. Till then, bye bye.